name on it. This is a woman. I'm thinking Hispanic. They love to draw the penises on the cars. And that, I don't know what that is. Again, with the penises. Not something you want to draw around with on your car if you're a dude. There you go, girl. Woohoo. She got him good. Or he did something wrong. All right. Yeah, that's a good one there. Hoping this is not some sort of Krylon. It's an all-base polish I'm going to use on this. Takes a lot to break a window, though.
I found a plate here.
Window's pretty damn strong.
You see the white shade over there on the.
Oh wow! No, but like I say, you could take some lacquer thinner and wipe this shit off, but you don't see it, but it does diminish your clear coat. You know,
that's why I didn't want to use any kind of thinner.
Yeah.
Because I know I'm gonna mess up the clear coat.
Yeah. Like I say, the clear coat, it's actually paint. It just doesn't have the color pigments in it. Remember how you used to wax your vehicle and you'd get the color of your vehicle on the rag? That was your paint. Like, what kind of evil woman would do such a thing? A woman scorned. I would say she does have vandalism skills. The last one I cleaned, this girl was an artist, dude.
So do you know who does like wax and all that?
Well, you know, here in this area right here, there's not a whole lot, is there?
No,
you know, you would think so, because it's a nice area. Last little bit of the nutsack. Yeah. All right. But I will say one thing about these Passats, they are great cars. They really are. I did a job in Puebla, Mexico, where we went over there to the, where they manufacture them, and they got overspray on them, so I was over there. And they have the best crash rating of all vehicles this size. Yeah. That hood looks much better. That's some sort of Krylon she used. This ain't no, you know, regular paint that you would use to paint patio furniture. I think this girl researched a little bit. Yeah, you'll never know it had overspray on it. But yeah, these are notorious for excellent gas mileage. German engineering at its best. Yeah, we did a 1,500 car group in Delaware at the port where they bring these in, you know. And that's when I first met German people and the quality control, the door jambs, everything. They were doing that before anybody was, you know, making those door gaps. That's before the clay was invented. Every car I did, I shaved. Like you see in those videos with the razor blade. I know it's nuts, but thousands, not hundreds, thousands like that. I mean, if it's clayable, of course I'm gonna clay it. Hey, at least you didn't do it in red. Remind me, we need to check your door jambs too, just to see if anyone in there.
All right.
Normally overspray is not an issue there, but see, now I clay it to get that residue off. That is the finished product, 2015 Passat. The Vandalism is removed. It's been polished. Use the clay bar to remove it and an oil-based polish to remove the spray itself. She had a little bit of damage on it. All these doorknobs, door handles. Repaired all the way to the bottom. Right. The obscenities are removed from the hood. There was a penis there. Paint overspray removal, National Services.